come shopping with me at the Ukiah Senior Center thrift store. My first time back in a long time because they closed because of a pipe break, and I'm so excited to see what we can find. The thrift store is located on Leslie Street next to their hall and next to a school. I forget the name of the school. River Oak? Not River Oak, I don't know. They usually have a little rack out here that's sale items. Thanks for going shopping with me at the senior center. As you can tell, it is a small little building and it goes to a great cause. So whether you have donations or need to find something fun and unique, go to the senior center. Typically they have 50% off most items besides furniture, and it's a great way to support their cause. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.